welcome to Decorative. If you love vintage charm, rustic details, and a cozy cottagecore aesthetic, you're in the right place. Today, we'll guide you through 10 simple ways to transform your home into a dreamy, nostalgic retreat. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment about your favorite cottagecore decor ideas. Now, let's get started. The foundation of a cottagecore aesthetic starts with color. Opt for soft, earthy hues like warm whites, muted greens, gentle blush tones, and antique blues. These shades create a serene, inviting atmosphere that feels both timeless and comforting. Consider using chalk paint or lime wash for an authentic vintage touch on your walls and furniture. Cottagecore decor thrives on furniture that tells a story. Look for vintage pieces at thrift stores, flea markets, or even in your grandparents' attic. Weathered wooden tables, distressed cabinets, and wrought iron bed frames all add a lived-in charm. Don't be afraid to mix and match different eras for an eclectic yet cohesive look. Nothing says cozy cottage like layers of soft fabrics. Drape floral or lace curtains, pile up handmade quilts, and place crocheted doilies on tables and shelves. Natural materials like linen and cotton enhance the rustic feel, while vintage embroidery or patchwork designs add a personal, nostalgic touch. Decorative details bring the cottagecore aesthetic to life. Incorporate vintage books, hand-thrown pottery, and antique mirrors with ornate frames. Displaying dried flowers in repurposed glass bottles or ceramic pitchers adds a delicate, countryside charm. Handmade items, whether crafted by you or found at local markets, make your space feel even more personal and warm. The right lighting can completely transform a space. Instead of harsh, modern lights, opt for vintage-inspired lighting like candlelit sconces, oil lamps, or Edison bulb chandeliers. Warm, dimmable lighting creates a dreamy, inviting glow, perfect for cozy evenings spent reading or sipping tea by the fire. A cottagecore home should feel connected to nature. Fill your space with potted herbs, climbing ivy, or fresh wildflowers in vintage vases. Hanging dried lavender or eucalyptus in the kitchen or bedroom not only looks beautiful but also fills the air with a calming, natural fragrance. Showcasing your favorite vintage finds is a key element of cottagecore decor. Open wooden shelves lined with antique teacups, mason jars, and ceramic plates create a charming display. Mixing in copper cookware or old-fashioned tins adds a rustic kitchen vibe, while bookshelves filled with classic literature complete the look in a cozy reading nook. Sustainability is a big part of the cottagecore lifestyle. Instead of buying new, repurpose old items into unique decor pieces. Turn an old wooden ladder into a blanket rack, use vintage suitcases as storage, or transform mason jars into candle holders. DIY projects add personality and help create a home that feels uniquely yours. And there you have it, 10 ways to create a cozy, vintage-inspired cottagecore home. Which tip was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more vintage home decor inspiration, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!